Hello and welcome friends. Today we have received our iPhone 13 Pro Max from US and I'm very excited to perform unboxing. So today I have my friend Xiteez with me and he will do unboxing of iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, let's go towards unboxing.
Here is the bag of our iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's take it out of our bag. This is how it looks like when we take out a bag. You can see the sample photo of the phone outside of the box. It looks light blue. And let's start unboxing. Okay, let's remove seal. We have two seals below the box. Okay, after removing these two seals, we are ready to unbox. Let's open the beautiful phone. Here we go. Okay, you can see it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Let's pull off this paper. And here in box we have USB-C to Lightning cable. Okay, let's keep it inside. And here is another box. Inside there we can see there is a SIM tray ejector tool and a quick start guide and Apple sticker. Okay, these are things we can get inside this box. Okay, let's look toward our phone. Let's peel off this paper sheet. Wow, you can see the body. It's quite beautiful. Cameras look little bit different from iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, now we need 2 minutes to set up this phone. Let's begin. It's easier to set up this phone. You have to choose language.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And guys, in our next video we will show you some features of this phone so you can decide either to purchase this phone or not. And okay, this much for now. Bye bye, take care.